The Innovac from Innovative Medical Technologies has revolutionized capillary sampling with vacuum-assisted collection. The quick draw adapter fits the BD Microtainer capillary collection container so that it can be used with the Innovac vacuum unit. The adapter contains a capillary straw that is internally coated with anticoagulant to allow the blood sample to come into immediate contact with the anticoagulant, eliminating one of the major causes of clotting. This is especially helpful with slow bleeders. The quick draw adapter also contains a primary vent filter that prevents blood and airborne particles from escaping the collection vial. A secondary hydrophobic disc filter is in place in the Innovac unit to prevent any blood from entering the unit should the primary filter fail. This filter is located beneath the round screw-off cover. You should check the cleanliness of the disc filter before use. The filter is easily seen through the hole in the cover. If it is contaminated with blood, then you'll need to replace it before proceeding. Unscrew the round cover by turning counterclockwise and remove the filter by turning it counterclockwise. You can use forceps or something similar to grasp the filter to make it easier to remove. Replace it with a new filter and tighten finger tight. Replace the round cover on the Innovac. The Innovac operates on a standard 9-volt battery and is easily installed. The quick draw adapters attach to the BD Microtainer vials for plasma, whole blood, or serum samples. Be sure the adapter is pressed completely onto the container. If it is not, you may experience less than optimum vacuum during collection. Pre-assemble all of the collection vials you will need for this draw before performing the skin puncture. Pressing and releasing the blue button on the unit activates the vacuum. Pressing and releasing the button again stops the vacuum. You can rotate the assembly on the Innovac to allow the Innovac to be in a comfortable position for you. Press and release the blue button to activate the vacuum and apply the tip of the quick draw adapter to the blood droplet that is present at the puncture site. Avoid scooping the sample from the puncture site. The vacuum action draws the sample into the collection vial. This eliminates the need to scoop, which causes hemolysis, and less squeezing is needed because the vacuum will collect even the smallest drops. You don't need a large hanging drop. During collection, air being pulled through the vial causes the sample to mix automatically with the anticoagulant in the vial. This eliminates the need to stop and tap and mix the sample during collection. This automatic mixing leads to fewer clots, less hemolysis, and fewer re-sticks for your patients. You can check the volume of sample collected by pressing and releasing the blue button to stop the vacuum. This allows the sample to settle so you can see the volume of sample collected. Simply press and release the button again to collect more sample. To collect another sample type, simply remove the quick draw assembly you've just filled from the Innovac and attach the next quick draw assembly. After collection, remove the quick draw adapter from the Microtainer and discard into a biohazard waste container. There will always be a small amount of sample in the capillary straw. Disregard this, as it is a very small amount that is difficult to remove. Cap the collection vial with its original cap, mix well, and process accordingly to your facility's standard procedure. For infection control, the Innovac can be cleaned and disinfected by wiping the unit down using your standard disinfecting procedure. A disinfecting wipe works very well.